Affirmative and negative to commands with reflexive verbs are formed differently than one another. First of all, we're using the verb bañarse, and bañarse is reflexive, and it means to bathe oneself. First, you want to take the se, the reflexive pronoun, and put it off to the side. To form affirmative commands in the to form, you simply use the third person singular form, the él, ella, usted form. Since this is a to command and reflexive, we need the reflexive pronoun te to be added. With affirmative commands, all pronouns are placed at the end, attached to the command. Once you attach one pronoun, you need to count 1, 2, 3 syllables from the end and put an accent mark over the strong syllable of that vowel. Over the strong vowel of that syllable. This is now pronounced bañate. Forming negative commands requires a few more steps. The first step is to get the present tense first person singular yo form of your verb, baño. The second step is to drop the o. The third step is to add the opposite to form ending. Since bañar is an AR verb, we're going to add an ES. And the fourth step, don't forget to add a no to make this a negative command. But we still need our reflexive pronoun. And again, since these are two commands, we're using the pronoun te. And with negatives, it goes in between the no and the command to form the command no te bañes. No accent marks are required in the negative command form. So if we take another verb, for example, the verb dormirse, for example. Dormirse means to put oneself to sleep. The steps for both forming the negative and affirmative are going to be the same. The affirmative command is formed by the third person singular in the present tense, which is duerme. We add our pronoun to the end, and we count 1, 2, 3 syllables from the end, and if there's a strong and a weak vowel, we put it on the strong vowel. Duérmete. The steps are also the same for the negative. We start with duermo, the yo form in the present tense. We drop the o, and in this case we're going to add an as since dormirse is an IR verb. Don't forget the no to make it negative, and your pronoun no te duermas means don't go to sleep.